Hi, students. You will be working on an outline for the personal essay writing assignment. So we recommend that you get your ideas, your details, and your thoughts in order before you start writing your actual essay. So one way to do that is to create an outline. So this assignment will give you the tools and practice required to write an effective outline. And most students say that if they take the time to write a clear, well-organized outline, the actual essay itself is written much more easily and smoothly, and they usually end up with a better product in the end. So you will want to read through these instructions. You will be submitting a Word document, or if your instructor is okay with this, you could submit a Google document. So what you will want to do is reread the learning materials on outlining and organizing and thesis statements first. Then you will want to make sure you understand the end product. What is the personal essay assignment? So make sure you know what it is that your instructor is asking of you. You will also want to know what the first reading is. It should be the reading that you annotated in the last assignment. But verify with your instructor if you have any questions. It may or may not be the article that is listed here. That is what some students are doing this semester, but your instructor may choose a different reading and will have a different link in this spot in the directions. So you should be very familiar with the reading that you are being asked to respond to. Look through all of that material before you tackle the outline itself. So you will also want to know what it is that you are responding to on a personal level. So your instructor might give you some additional prompts, but this is a good starting point for some questions that you can ask and respond to on a personal level. So you may be choosing one or more of these prompts to write about. Again, you are utilizing your own life experiences and ideas to connect to and react to an article that your instructor has assigned. After you know which prompt or prompts you are responding to, then we recommend getting started. Open a new Word document or a Google Doc if that's okay with your instructor. Or what you could do is, if you haven't already reviewed the sample outline, which is listed under number 2 here, you could open up the sample outline in Word, download it, and then you have the basic format already established for you. I will say that sometimes when you delete and move things around and hit the enter key and hit the either backspace or delete key, sometimes the lettering and the numbers get a little thrown off. Ask your instructor or someone in our writing center to help you if you are struggling at all with Microsoft Word and setting up the outline in the proper formal format. Your instructor will also let you know if you must write a sentence outline or if you are okay just putting some brief phrases and single words here. Sometimes your instructor will want you to do a combination. Maybe they will want you to write out the topic sentences for your major details, and then they will allow you at this point, when you're still fleshing out your ideas, they will allow you to just have brief phrases for the letters and the Arabic numbers. But very often they'll want complete sentences for the Roman numerals. As always, if you have any questions, get in touch with your instructor. Before you submit it, click through the rubric and make sure that you have followed the directions provided and that you have understood how it is that your instructor will assess this material. Again, if you have questions, get in touch with your instructor, and we wish you good luck as you start to organize your ideas for the personal essay.